Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, yesterday was a very hectic time. Bitcoin nearly fell below the 60k support and a lot of people were panicking on Twitter, and something similar happened with Doge as the price has fallen a little bit short to 15 cents. On the other end, if we actually talk about the trading volume, you can see it's just a little bit above the 2 billion mark. Now Elon Musk promises X update that greatly excites the community, and I'm talking about the whole crypto community. There is a lot of whales which are buying into Dogecoin, and US Senator just announced there will be new laws being passed on stable coins. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin and the whole crypto market news, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people start talking about Dogecoin, higher social engagement, more people buy into it, the whales buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Just keep in mind, right now where the times are tough, we need to focus on the social engagement, exactly what the community is doing on Twitter. We're doing the same thing on YouTube to make sure that everyone is able to be excited about Dogecoin and not to get into the panic selling zone. I do want to mention something important. Doge has taken a little bit of a pullback, but compared to other cryptos, you can see that Doge is still in the average zone. I mean, Pepe is down 10%, WIF is down 10%, but Doge is still holding on to its price a little bit better. Now, if we talk about 15 cent zone, you can see that we might have fallen below the 15 cent, but we're still holding on to the 8th spot very strongly as Toncoin and Dogecoin are battling it out, but Dogecoin's trading volume is 5 times higher than Toncoin. While we are on the trading volume, you can see that open interest has dropped by 10%, which is a significant dip. Now we are sitting close to 700 million. It's due to some liquidations that we received yesterday. Now the amount of liquidations has gone up a little bit from 5 million to 6.4 million. Most of the liquidations coming from the long traders, and the long to the short ratio is slowly starting to creep up on the long. Finally, we are sitting close to 73%, significantly another boost in the long holders. One thing I do want to mention is Elon Musk promising a very interesting thing. If you guys do not know, Elon today tweeted out saying, bring back Vine, yes or no? And over 1.3 million people have actually responded to this tweet. Now, why is this tweet so important? Because if you go to yes, you can see that it is a 69.9% people want yes, and that's out of 1.3 million. And then at the bottom you can see Elon Musk just confirmed that Vine will make a return on X, RIP Instagram Reels, YouTube Short, and TikTok. I mean, this was posted by Doge designer, but this actually got the whole community very excited as the original people who really like Vine actually loved it, and now being able to make a recovery, I mean, Elon would be able to do some big things, because back in the day also Twitter was facing something similar where there were not many people excited to use Twitter, but after Elon has come into this narrative, there has been a lot of positivity that has come with it. And if Vine goes back live and it's integrated with Twitter, we do not know what kind of impact this will have on other platforms. Now let's talk about some whales. Now this whale, you can see yesterday sold $7.8 million worth of Dogecoin at the price of 16 cents, but since the price has gone below 15 cents again, you can see they have started purchasing back. This should give you perspective, because this is the second largest holder of Dogecoin, and if they are taking profit while still buying back, this shows that there is a lot of trading happening on the back end. Now, talking about the US Senator introduces a new stablecoin bill to strengthen the regulation. Now, when they talk about this, I'm proud to join to introduce the Payment Stable Act. Passing a regulatory frame for the stablecoin is critical to protecting the consumers, promoting responsible innovation, and cracking down on money laundering and finances. Now you guys need to understand, stable coins are backbone of crypto. If they get too much regulations on it, that's going to cause the crypto market to be very strangled, if that's the right word to use, and that's going to cause the whole market to be a little bit unpredictable, and sometimes might go into a downtrend. Because if we just look at USDT, you can see that the trading volume of USDT is is much greater compared to Bitcoin. I mean, if you just add Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also USDC together, it still does not come to the total of how much USDT has been traded every single day. Therefore, there is a lot of money laundering and problems related to that. $71 billion a day. So this law that's been passed could have a huge impact on the crypto market. Now, Cathie Wood's bullish on Ethereum price prediction, how much 1,000 and 10,000 invested could be worth. Now, Cathie has been pretty good with her investments in the past, and her saying that she's really bullish on crypto right now says a lot, makes it a lot more positive impact. Now, if we talk about the actual price action, you guys can see we have fallen a little bit short to 15 cents, but right now we're still holding on to the price. When I mean we are holding on to the price, what I mean is right now there might be a little bit of a downtrend that's still left. What I mean is maybe until 13 cents, we might be seeing a little bit of a pullback, but that's only depending on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin does not fall below the 60K mark, Doge will be holding on to close to 14 to 15 cent zone, waiting for the Bitcoin halving event to come to an end, which is just about a day or two away. You can see 1 day and 23 hours. Now, once that is done, then the market will actually have a lot more positive impact to look forward to. And on the other end, you can see that major institution invest in BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. I mean, spot ETF captured nearly 60 billion in assets under the management as March 31st. Now, that's a lot of money that's been put into the Bitcoin ETF, and overall it is going to be helping the crypto market. Now, talking about another whale, you can see this whale is still sticking to its morals and making sure they're purchasing Dogecoin every single day, about $1.5 million worth compared to 2 million or 2.5 they were doing before. And this is another whale which decided to stop buying for a short period of time, but then they decided to buy back, and you can see that the purchasing power is really strong. They're purchasing about 20 to 30 million dollars worth of Dogecoin every single transaction. Now, Dogecoin, not Elon Musk, buys Dogecoin worth $45 million, leaving many asking. Now, an announcement by a top crypto miner was speculating to be powering the purchase. The development signaled a departure from Elon Musk induced movements. I mean, right now there's just so much happening in the crypto market. Seeing that Dogecoin is able to just sustain its price is actually the most important thing. I mean, right now you can see might achieve all-time high after the supply block revolution. Now, right now it's just about being a little patient. If you panic sell, that's going to be the worst thing you do right now. If you feel like the Dogecoin price is going to be going down too much, we haven't even seen the actual growth yet. When you see the initial pump of Doge, you will see what I mean. And finally, Dogecoin trading at a major support, and we need to make sure that this is going to be the perfect time. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.